Hello children, good morning to all. So this is your ENV book, standard 5th. We are started chapter 1. Okay, first part are uploaded. I hope you all are watched the video. So it is the part 2. So take out your textbook, page number 7. So limbs. Limbs are the joints that allow movements. The upper and the lower limbs are commonly called arms and legs. Limbs help us in many types of movements like walking, jumping, writing, running. They are made up of various hollow bones. See, here is the picture of limbs. Upper limbs, lower limbs. Here is upper limb, ye lower limb. Okay, so limbs are many type of movements like walking, jumping, writing, running. लिम्स की वजह से हम वॉकिंग, जंपिंग, राइटिंग एंड रनिंग कर सकते हैं. दे आर मेड अप ऑफ वेरियस होलो बोन्स. अ पेयर ऑफ शोल्डर ब्लेड्स एंड पेयर ऑफ collar bones from the shoulder girdles. These shoulder girdles join the arm to the spine. The hip girdle is joined by thigh bone and then it joins the lower knee with the knee joint. So next point is circulatory system. Circulatory system is the system that supplies oxygen and food to our body. See, circulatory system is system that supplies oxygen and food to our body. Since our body is in constant and regular need of oxygen and food, this system forms a very important part. It includes heart, blood and blood vessel. See, here is the picture of circulatory system. Blood vessel and heart. Okay, so heart. Heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood through the blood vessels of the circulatory system. Circulatory system की हेल्प से हार्ट जो है वो मस्कुलर ऑर्गन दैट पंप्स ब्लड थ्रू द ब्लड वेसल्स. इट इज लोकेटेड इन द मिडल कंपार्टमेंट ऑफ द चेस्ट. वेयर इज इट सिचुएटेड? सो इट इज लोकेटेड इन द मिडल कंपार्टमेंट ऑफ द चेस्ट. इट लाइज बिटवीन द लंग्स. हार्ट इज प्रोटेक्टेड द रिब केज. रिब केज जो है, हियर इज द रिब केज, वो हार्ट को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. The chambers on the heart is divided into 4 chambers and all the 4 chambers have their own function. So heart is divided how many chambers? 4 chambers. The chambers on the left are referred to as the left heart and the chambers on the right are referred to as the right heart. Now blood. So blood is the red fluid that flows inside our body and supplies the necessary nutrients to all the body parts. You know blood which color? Blood is the red fluid that floats inside our body and supplies the necessary nutrients to all the body parts. Thus it acts as transport system. Transport system की तरह वो act करता है. It contains red cells that carry oxygen and white cells that provide us immunity. It contains red cells and that carry oxygen and white cells जो हमारी बॉडी को इम्यूनिटी प्रोवाइड करता है. इम्यूनिटी इज द पावर ऑफ द बॉडी टू रेजिस्ट अगेंस्ट इन्फेक्शन. इम्यूनिटी क्या है? तो इम्यूनिटी इज द पावर ऑफ द बॉडी टू रेजिस्ट अगेंस्ट इन्फेक्शन. Blood vessels. Blood vessels transport blood throughout our body. These are 3 major types of blood vessels. They are arteries, capillaries and veins. So here is the picture. Okay, veins, heart, aorta, pulmonary artery. So see this, veins, heart. Okay, so arteries carry blood away from the heart. They carry pure blood from the heart to the different parts of the body. Artery, which walk arteries, so they carry pure blood from the heart to the different parts of the body. So children, here is the complete second part of this chapter. Okay, so read the chapter. Okay children, bye, have a nice day.